Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our step-by-step tutorial series, where we make complex tools simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to rotate an image in Prezi 2025. If you're working on presentations and need to tweak your visuals for that perfect angle, you're in the right place. Prezi has evolved a lot by 2025, with even more intuitive features, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Prezi installed on your device. It's free to download. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Prezi website and sign up quickly. Once you're logged in, open your existing presentation or start a new one. This is where the magic begins. Step 1. Locate the image you want to rotate. If you haven't added one yet, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and select Image from the drop-down menu. Upload your file from your computer or choose from Prezi's stock library. Easy peasy. Now, for the main event, select your image by clicking on it once. You'll see a blue border around it, indicating it's active. Look for the rotation handle. It's that circular arrow icon usually at the top of the selected image. Click and drag this handle clockwise or counterclockwise to rotate your image to the desired angle. Prezi in 2025 even shows a live preview, so you can see exactly how it looks in real time. If you need more precision, double-click the image to open the editing panel on the right side. Here, you'll find a Rotate slider or input field where you can enter a specific degree, like 45 or 90. Adjust it until it's just right, then hit Apply to save your changes. One quick tip. If your image isn't rotating smoothly, check your zoom level or ensure you're not in a restricted editing mode. Prezi's interface is super user-friendly, but always preview your slide to make sure everything aligns perfectly. And there you have it. That's how you rotate an image in Prezi for 2025. It's a small feature, but it can make your presentations pop. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing content. See you next time.